And I'm his cousin Avi.
Today, we're listening to animal sounds. Are you ready to listen and repeat? This is gonna be fun! It sure is! Let's get started!
First up is a dog.
This is a dog. Do you know what sound a dog makes? A dog says, woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
That's right. Can you say woof like a dog? Dogs make great pets. They like to play and run and love to sniff with their noses. Dogs have sharp teeth, and some dogs do bite.
So never approach or try to pet a dog that you don't know. Come on, let's see what other animals we can find.
Next up is a cat.
This is a cat. The cat says, meow, meow. Friends, can you meow with us like a cat? Cool, let's all say it together. Meow. Meow. Cats like to nap, and they use their whiskers to feel. They also make good pets.
They sure do. Let's go see what other animal we can find.
Up next, a lion.
Wow, look! A lion! Do you know what sound a lion makes? The lion says, roar! Roar! Wow! That was powerful! That's why you're the king of the jungle. Lions like to rest and relax during the day. They live where the temperature is warmer, like the summer. Can you roar with us, friends? That was incredible!
Come on, friends. Let's see what else we can find.
Up next, a frog.
This is a frog. What sound does a frog make? Frogs say ribbit. Ribbit. Can you say ribbit like a frog? This is awesome. It sure is. Frogs hop and jump a lot and like to be near water. And they use their tongues to eat insects. They do it real fast, too. Cool! I can't wait to see what's next.
Up next is a cow.
Oh, wow! This, friends, is a cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? A cow says, moo! Come on, friends. Moo with us like a cow. Moo! Want to know some facts about cows?
Cows eat green grass, and they graze in big open fields.
See you later, Mr. Cow. We've got to see what's next.
Up next is a horse.
Look, friends, this is a horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? A horse says neigh.
Neigh?
Yes, neigh. That sure is a funny sound. Friends, can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Neigh.
Horses like to walk and they like to trot, but they can run really fast also.
When they run, it sounds like clip clop, clip clop.
Clip clop.
Up next is an elephant.
Look, he's waving back.
Wow, look at the water.
That was awesome! It definitely was. This is an elephant, friends. Do you know what sound an elephant makes? Elephant makes a sound called a trumpet.
Yup, it sounds a lot like the instrument.
Come on, friends. Let's all make the trumpet sound like an elephant. The elephant sound is so powerful. Elephants have really long trunks that they use to drink water, and elephants are really big. Look, let's go see what that is.
Up next is a monkey.
Look, friends, it's a monkey.
Friends, do you know what sound a monkey makes?
Ooh, 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 ah, ah.
Monkeys say ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Let's all make sounds like a monkey.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
That sure is a funny sound. It sure is.
Do you want to know some fun facts about monkeys, friends?
Monkeys like to climb and are known to snatch things out of people's hands.
Yeah, so be careful. And
Come on, Avi. I see something else we should take a look at.
Okay, let's go.
Next we have a chicken.
Do you know what animal this is? That's a chicken.
Ooh, a chicken.
Wait, like the chicken we eat? Yes, Avi, like the chicken that we eat.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Well, what sound does a chicken make? A chicken says, cluck, cluck.
That was awesome!
Friends, can you cluck like a chicken?
That was fun.
I think there's one animal left.
Up last is a pig.
Oh, wow, look, a pig. Big, round, muddy pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? I sure do. A pig says oink, oink. Can you oink with us like a pig?
oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
As you can see, friends, pigs like mud.
Yeah, mud helps them stay warm.
This was fun. We hope you had fun with us and the animals today. Come on, Jusai. Let's go get cleaned up. And I think I hear Mama calling us.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye!